There are also practical problems with using embryonic stem cells. Dr. Kelly Hollowell is the founder and director of Science Ministries Incorporated. She is a bioethics expert who holds a doctorate in molecular and cellular pharmacology.
Use of embryonic stem cells has major problems associated with them. The two biggest problems are immune rejection of the stem cells, and the second is growth of tumors.
However, there is a form of stem cell research which is achieving positive results: adult stem cell therapy. Though the media rarely points out the crucial distinction between embryonic and adult stem cell research, adult stem cells are being used successfully while avoiding the ethical and practical problems posed by embryonic stem cells.
There hasn't been one cure yet produced by cloning or embryonic stem cell research. On the other hand, we have a list of over 80 diseases that have been successfully treated with adult stem cell research.
Using adult stem cells, we have been curing corneal scarring, various cancers, including leukemias, breast cancer, ovarian cancer. We've been curing anemias, spinal cord injury, heart disease, liver disease.
There's a woman in South Korea who was successfully treated with adult stem cells and is beginning to walk, and she hasn't walked for 20 years.
And now there's an exciting breakthrough involving stem cell research. Kirby Anderson, Probe Ministries.
We've had lots of successes with adult stem cells, and we don't really raise any moral questions. But with embryonic stem cells, it raises moral questions, and they haven't been very effective. Well, scientists working in Japan and in the United States have been able to now use human skin cells to actually produce what are called these pluripotent embryonic-like cells. So they're like embryonic stem cells, but they can use your skin cell.
Meanwhile, outgoing President Bush has always sought to put limits on federal funding of embryonic stem cell research. But incoming President Barack Obama, on the other hand, is on record as favoring it. While on the campaign trail, then candidate Obama said, "My hope and the hope of so many in this country is to provide our researchers with the means to explore the uses of embryonic stem cells so we can begin to turn the tide on the devastating diseases affecting our nation and the world." Many say laws against embryonic stem cell research ultimately led to scientists pursuing this promising line of research in adult stem cells.
When we look at adult stem cell research, we have 72 different areas in which we have cures or treatments. But when we look at embryonic stem cell research, we have 0. So the box score is 72 to 0.